guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ren Amazing Vlogs. And for today's video, I am going to show you how to cook ABC soup. So these are all the ingredients that we need. Corn, carrots, potatoes, onions, celery, tomato, and our pork bone. So one of our ingredients is celery. I put celery because it add a different taste. It will create a different taste into the soup, which is nice. So I'll put like 2 stalks of this into our soup. But by adding this, make sure to remove some fiber of it. See? Just slice it into big chunk. Slice. So we need 2 potatoes. Peel it and cut it into chunks. Only need to cut it into chunks. Same with our carrots, just peel it and cut into chunks. And then let's cut it into chunks. Just take away both ends and throw it because we don't need that one. So it's just chunk it. Next is our tomato. We only need to cut it into wedges. And then our onions. Actually, big onions are nicer, or it's nice to go with this soup, but I don't have it, so we're going to use shallots. And then just cut it into half with a glue. Lastly is our corn. We need to remove the husk and all the hairs. Then just slice it into big pieces. Put all ingredients into one bowl. And we are ready to cook. So to begin with, I bring a pot of water into boil to wash our pork ribs. So we're going to wash it like 5 minutes in hot water to remove all the bacteria present in the raw meat. So we'll leave it for 5 minutes. So it's already 5 minutes. We need to turn off the fire and take all out our bones. Ouch. Because we don't need this water anymore. Wash the pieces under tap water to take away the dirty bits. Just to remove the dirty bits and some broken bones. Also add peppercorn and bay leaf, a piece of bay leaf, to add flavor into the soup and to make it more tastier. So now we are ready to cook. At first I wonder why it has been called ABC soup, because some says it's because you can get all the vitamins A, B, and C from it. But based on my own understanding, it is called ABC because it is as easy as ABC to cook. So all we need is just dump everything in, dump all the ingredients inside. Including our bones, our pork bones. Our bay leaf and all that peppercorn. And then we need to add water, just enough to cover all our ingredients. This again is another interesting recipe. It is easy to cook, simple and affordable. It is budget friendly, so everyone can afford to try it. So I think our water is enough. Yeah. Then let's bring it to a boil for about 2 hours to 3 hours. Big fire. So as you can see, it is already boiling. So what we're going to do now is to turn down our fire into medium heat and let it continue boiling for another 2 hours 30 minutes. So our soup is almost done. It's already more than 2 hours. Wow, look at that. It's boiling nicely. So I turn the fire bigger because this time we need to add taste into it. Wow. So I have here a cube of chicken. And then let's add a scoop of salt. Just a teaspoon will do. Yes. And that's it. Let's boil it for another 5 to 10 minutes and then it's done. Perfect. It's time to off the fire. And that's it. Our soup is ready.